Have you ever noticed how some weight loss methods seem to work for everyone except you, leaving you feeling stuck and frustrated? You're not alone, and that's why doctors are now talking about the gelatin trick as a simple yet effective way to support overall wellness. It's not about restricting yourself or following a crazy diet, but rather about incorporating a daily ritual that can help your body function at its best. The gelatin trick is all about using a natural ingredient, like gelatin, to help soothe and nourish your digestive system, which in turn can help you wake up without the bloat and feel more energized throughout the day. Researchers say that by making this small change to your daily routine, you can start to notice a significant difference in how you feel. My friend, who's tried the gelatin trick, swears by its ability to help her drop that heavy feeling and get her digestive system back on track. The gelatin trick is all about finding a balance that works for you, and it's amazing to see how such a simple ritual can have a lasting impact. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it work for you, check out the link in the description below for a detailed guide. And don't forget to take a look at the pinned comment for some valuable tips from our community. By trying the gelatin trick, you can take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself?